When is the best time to propagate plants? For regular plants, it's best to propagate during early morning or late at night, late in the afternoon, I mean, because they have more time to settle in. If you plant it during midday, it's too hot for them that they can die before actually growing. So if you plant them early in the morning or late in the afternoon where it's not so hot, you you are giving them a head start. For grafted cactus, you can graft them any time of the day as long as you put them in a shaded area of your house where it's not too hot too. It's best to plant it early in the morning and late in the afternoon too. But there's a workaround. You just have to put them in a shaded part of your house. So the connection between scion and the rootstock will heal first before drying up. It's the same case with succulents. You need to propagate early in the morning or late in the afternoon so they have enough time to heal and don't get dry too fast. But as I said, there's still a workaround. You can put them in places where there is no direct sunlight and it's not so hot, so they have more time to heal before actually facing the heat of the sun.